Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Tribe #Youth. Today we'll be discussing about users of accounting information. So let's start. There are so many external users who are interested in the accounting information of different companies because their economic decisions are based on this information. So let's start. We are first We'll first talk about shareholders. Shareholders are the stakeholders of the company. They are interested in knowing how company is doing and where company is heading, and that is the reason they are looking for the accounting information of the company. They invest their money in the business, so their economic decision like whether to continue with this investment or to invest in some other company, they use the accounting information. Then we have the customers. Customers nowadays are very loyal to a particular brand and they want to use the brand for longer term, and that is the reason they are also interested in accounting information to find out how company is doing, what is the reputation of the company or image of the company in the market. Then we have employees who are the integral part of any company. Employees looking at the information of the company from the point of view of higher pay, bonus, pension, retirement planning. They want job security, financial security, and that is the reason they are interested in the accounting information. Then there are competitors who are again the part which we cannot ignore. Now competitors are looking at the different businesses to form their own strategy, competing strategy. So they are looking at the information to find out how the company in the same segment, how it is growing, what is the profit percentage, what is the net worth of the company in that market, what strategy they following, what is their goodwill and how they are doing it. So for all this data, they need to look at the accounting information of the company. Then we have so many investors around who are looking at the good opportunity in the market or in the companies to invest. There are value investors, there are growth investors, so they need to study the company's account to find out where they can invest their money and get higher returns on their investment. Then there are financial institutions, there are banks, there are NBFCs. So these are the institutions which lend companies. So companies are basically interested in them for the timely payment of their principal or the interest. Um, and that is the reason they are taking the look at the accounting information to find out what is the net worth and what is the goodwill of the company. Then we have the suppliers. Suppliers are the creditors who gives credit of lakhs of rupees to company, and they are also interested in the accounting information to find out timely payment of their dues, right? Then we have the government, the very important part of our country. They are also interested in the accounting information of the companies from the point of view of calculation of taxes. And then the general public who are normally interested to know how the companies are doing, which company is doing better, what is the image of that company in the market, and so on. And then the last but not the least and the most important one, owners, managers, board of directors who are interested in the accounting information. So what is happening in the company at the end of the year, how the financial statement looks like, how it is going to impact the market, uh, how it is going to impact shareholders and all the other stakeholders, what is the profit percentage. So for all these different types of reasons, um, owners, managers, board of directors of the companies are also taking look at the accounting information. So most of the stakeholders, you will see that their economic decision is based on company's performance analysis, right? So these are all the users of accounting information. Thank you so much.